Muhammad Gudaji Kazaure, member representing Kazaure, Roni, Gwiwa, and Enkwashi. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Jigawa State. Mr. Speaker, seriously, Mr. Speaker, seriously, Mr. Speaker, my highly respected colleagues, this is not the issue of judging. Don't joke. We are talking about
the members around you are insisting that you wear your mask. And then raise your voice.
Mr. Speaker, people are talking about coronavirus. How many people coronavirus kill in Nigeria? You are talking about coronavirus. We are talking about bandits. In only a single day, they kill the people that pass. All the people die with corona in Nigeria. People, they consider this corona as something. Put your mask, block the state, go at home. They shut down everything. We're not supposed to shut down. We're supposed to shut down this country for banditry, not corona. Mr. Speaker, the black people are very strong. I don't believe with any corona. No corona will touch me. Mr. Speaker, seriously, what I believe in it is look at how we became serious in the issue of corona in this country. Why won't the government be serious in the issue of this killing as they treated corona? Mr. Speaker, seriously, what is going? All what we are doing, welfare, project, everything that this government is doing to make sure that they do welfare or to show change in this government, this banditry, this insecurity is dissolving all our effort. Seriously, in this country, Mr. Speaker, what I observe, SSS are not doing their job. Because if bandits are coming from the forest to come inside the town, SSS is supposed to detect them and inform the military and police. The problem is, these people are coming, Mr. Speaker, from the forest. And sometimes information will reach to the security. But these people will still come, spend hours in a village. Hours, not minutes. Killing people, burning houses. They will even relax there. And then they go. Then later on, security will go and begin carry cops. So, Mr. Speaker, in this government, all what we are doing in this government, people of this country are not giving us credit because of security. Because the best thing is to protect life and property of a human being. And if you come to the issue of economy, Mr. Speaker, these people, majority of the affected areas, they are the ones producing the food that we are eating in this country. 80% of the farmers cannot go farm. So in the next 1 year, Mr. Speaker, all what we have will finish. And we never farm what we eat in the future. And we put ban on importation. So, Mr. Speaker, what I fear is people of this country, now the common people are looking for us. So, gradually, if we allow this insecurity to continue, people will take law into their hand. And the people, they will begin go to the houses of a well-being people and start attacking them to bring them food to eat. Because gradually, if you go to the local area, the only thing, the security of our people is that farming. They will farm what they will eat. And it's because of that farming that this country stay in a peace. So seriously, Mr. Speaker, what I observe is the security, as they said, is embarrassed to the Nigerian security, it's embarrassment to the Nigerian security that a state governor are negotiating with the criminal to bring peace in his state because the security cannot tackle that thing. He has to beg them to stop killing his people. He even promised to give them money. Where are the money appropriated for arms? Where are the helicopters? What the Air Force are doing? These people, they are coming in the daytime. In bike, they will send them 200 on bike. You can just bomb them with helicopter in 5 minutes. Where are the intelligent? So seriously, Mr. Speaker, it's embarrassing to negotiate with the criminal is an embarrassment to our security in this country. And what I observe, sir, Air Force, Army, and police, they're supposed to be serious and take, if you send somebody who's AK-47 to attack a bandit who's AK-47, and some bandit, they have even GPMGs. So, Mr. Speaker, the security are not ready to tackle that. As you take tankers, sophisticated tankers to Sambisa, that is what the army is supposed to take to this our forest. Surround our forest with tankers, enter that forest, flush those idiots and finish them. But as far as they say, they will take Hilux and go on patrol just inside the city. These people, they are living inside the forest and they are there. So if the security are serious, why can't them surround that place with tankers, helicopters, up and down? They will finish them in less than 7 days. So seriously, Mr. Speaker, if security are serious, they will tackle this.
Thank you very much.